This is not ideal.
Am I deleting all of them?
All of them. Guys, we promised you a surprise. And Derek and I are actually being surprised by the weather right now.
Yeah, it looks like, I don't even know.
It looks like we're going into a tornado.
Yeah.
But Derek and I right now are in the middle, quite literally the middle of nowhere. If anybody knows where Hanover is, that's probably one of the only ones I can mention where anybody knows where that even is. Hanover, or just south of Owen Sound. So quite a ways up here.
We have a random guy up on his roof.
That's not a good time to be hanging out on that roof.
Not a good time. Man, it's hooking up the ground wires.
Yeah. Guys, we have a surprise for you today. I'm sure over the last couple weeks, if you were paying attention, you may have heard me say that we needed to get a truck to bring the engine and all the components down to Randy. And on top of that, like, let's be honest, if we're planning on going to the track,
yep,
we're going to need to have a truck to pull the car.
Yep, gotta have a way to get there.
That's right. So Derek and I have found a truck that I think is going to fit all our needs, including being able to pull the trailer and the car to the track, as well as maybe be able to get me home some plywood from Home Depot if I need to, or put the boys' go-karts in the back there and take them to a track. So,
I mean, if you really want to, you could probably pick up like a family of 12 walking down the road from it. But you guys will see the truck.
I like what I like, and
it's perfect.
Yeah. So, but if we don't get killed by the lightning and tornadoes that are clearly we're driving into right now, we'll show you guys the truck here in a couple minutes. So stick around.
Hey guys, how's it going? Well, we just picked up the new HowFast truck. Leave it to us to do it during a thunderstorm where we're getting warnings on the radio for tornadoes, heavy hail. But you know what? That's how we do things at HowFast. Oh, and forgot to mention, we just passed a horse and buggy. We're in Amish country here. Forgot to mention that the guy that just bought the truck off of neglected to tell him that it doesn't have working windshield wipers. So, driving through a hail-filled possible tornado rainstorm with no windshield wipers. Just another day. Just another day, boys. There she is in front of us. Talk to you boys after.
All right, guys. So Derek and I are here again. We're still in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, we just pretty much, I think we just drove through a tornado, like 3 different towns with trees down. And
that is right. As on our way back towards Chatham, we literally went through at least 3 towns that have trees down and houses that are pretty damaged. So that rainstorm that we missed, I think we were just in the right spot to actually miss it. I think we went around it.
Thank God.
Thank goodness. So, okay, guys. I think we've held you off long enough. Like I said, I needed a truck and needed something for us to pull the race car, something to pick up stuff from Home Depot, something to be able to take the kids' go-karts to the track and have room for them and us.
And whatever else we want.
Yeah. Yep. So I didn't want to skimp out.
Nope.
I didn't want to get some 1,500. I didn't want to get some 2,500.
Yeah.
No. So welcome the new member of the HowFast family. We don't have a name for her yet, but it's a 1996. It's going to take me 15 minutes to walk down to the end of this thing. It's a 1996 GMC 3500 extended crew cab dually. I love this thing. I've been seeing a lot of dualies lately, and they just keep catching my eye. And yeah, there you go, Derek, pose. And this one came up, and I snatched it up. So, along with having a 5th wheel hitch in the back, it's got airbags in the back here. Which we can't see from this angle, but it's airbags in the back. Very, very, very clean. No rust anywhere along the rockers or anything like that. Interior is in amazing shape considering it's 25 years old next year, and only 130,000 kilometers. 130,000 kilometers on the engine, and the engine is a 454 gas, 7.4 liter, I believe is what they were. So great truck, good looking truck. Seems really like I got a good deal on it. Only time will tell. But you can see there's, there are a couple areas where there's some rust, and a couple, spots where the fiberglass got punched by something. So it's not a show truck by any means, but you know what? She's going to do exactly what we need. Solid, right? That's exactly it. So she's going to, does it? And we'll see those drive-bys. We should put those in right now. So yeah, great. I mean, I'm really happy with the purchase. So other than those wipers,
they just started. I was in the car and I'm like, yeah, so we're just driving through hell here pretty much, and Justin's driving without any wipers,
right?
Because the truck doesn't have any.
Yeah, all of a sudden for some reason we went to leave and it's downpouring, absolute downpour. The wipers aren't on. I don't know why they didn't work. And then we're driving along and poof, they turn on, and I was like, thank goodness, I was like 20K faster. Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna do a couple shots of this new truck running, and we're on our way back to Cham. We're gonna drop it off at Stories, and it's gonna get it safetied so we can have go for like a real legit cruise in it.
Yeah.
Maybe next week or something.
Yeah, time to get home and relax.
Yeah.
It's been a long couple days.
It has been. Yeah, Derek and I just got cooked at Grand Bend. Yeah. So you guys probably caught that episode last weekend, but we're
on our way back right now, and today.
It's beautiful. it's cloudy, but God, I don't feel like I'm on fire, so that's great. Anyway, guys, we're gonna jump in the truck, head back. Okay. I'm gonna lie, guys, I don't think I've ever let anyone else drive my car. So I trust Derek. I know he's a good driver. And this is one of my first times seeing my car from the outside driving. Man, is it good looking. It's so low, even without its nice rims on and everything. You can't see those from this side, like when I'm just looking at it, but it looks like it's one with the road. Even when the suspension's all bad, it looks so mean. Love it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see. There you can see it. Look how mean that car looks. We're basically on the home stretch right now, so I want to give a big shout out to Hildy, the BMW, for making it all the way out to BFI and back again for the 100th time. The car is so good to me, so I'm going to show her some love here in the upcoming weeks.
We're in Chatham, Kent now, and all of a sudden it's raining again. And of course, as soon as I turn the camera on, it slows down, but it was at the point minutes ago where you couldn't see. I could hardly see Justin in front of me, and he's like maybe 200 feet in front of me. Perfect day for picking up a truck.
Well, boys,
yeah, we made it.
We made it. Long weekend.
Long drive today through some awesome roads, but crazy effing weather.
Yeah, really bad weather. Really bad weather and some damage. So we hope everyone up there in those little towns, we hope everyone made it home safe and everything was okay.
A couple trees down on houses. And
crazy. It's pretty bad. Yeah. But our tow rig, we haven't come up with a name for her yet, but she's going to get a name. So she's back home. We're back here at Stories, and we're going to get this big girl safety this week, and that way whenever we need to use her, we can use her. But there's one thing that needs to be done before we could call this one of our trucks. Needs to have a HowFast sticker, I think. I think right there it's going to do just fine.
For its first HowFast sticker.
First of many HowFast stickers. In fact, this truck may end up, I mean, it is the HowFast tow rig. So this may end up with door decals or a hood decal, or who knows what we'll end up with. But for now, just so everybody knows and there's no mistakes about whose truck this is, you want just the right amount of lubrication. One of us. There she is, guys. New member to the HowFast family. If you think, a great name for this truck, I mean, put it in the comments down below. We'd love to hear it. Because, I got a couple things in mind, but I'm definitely not set on anything. So make sure you get in touch with us that way. Or if you guys want to get in touch with us, you can get us on our email, howfast10@gmail.com. You can get us on our Instagram, how__fast, howfast.ca, or howfast on Facebook. Make sure you guys get in touch with us. We love hearing from you. So I guess, guys, until next time, we'll find out how fast we can make this truck go.